Hey there, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you an automation to help you level up your fashion business. So the topic or the use case that we are going to discuss in this video has been asked by a lot of our users. That is how to send fashion clothing catalog from LinkedIn lead generation forms directly to the potential customers on WhatsApp. So this automation is going to be a game-changing technique for you, which is going to help you reach your target audience faster and efficiently. And you can use this automation without any coding just by a few clicks. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's begin. So for this automation, we are going to use an automation and integration tool known as Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste the link of this tool in the description so that you can sign up for free and follow me through the video and learn this automation right now. Okay, so you can just sign up from the given link and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. After signing up, sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I'm giving the name. You can give any name according to you. So after giving such names, click on this create button and your workflow page will load up like this. All right. And from here, we are going to start creating the workflow of the automation by using these two things, the trigger and the action. So the workflows here works on these two things. Trigger is going to start the workflow and the action would be the automated consequence of the trigger. So guys, here in this use case, we want that whenever we generate a lead via LinkedIn lead generation form, this workflow should trigger and send our catalog on the WhatsApp of the person who have filled the lead generation form. So here when you click on the trigger section, it will ask for choosing the application. So here we are going to choose LinkedIn lead generation form, and to send messages on WhatsApp, we are going to use WhatsApp's business API provider tool known as Interact. Okay, we are going to use here in the action step. Okay, first of all, let's just search for LinkedIn lead generation. Here you can see the lead generation forms option, select it. Then select the trigger event as new lead. Okay. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with lead generation forms. And here it will ask you to log in LinkedIn. So from here, click on sign in. Okay. After filling your credentials. So after filling your credentials, click on sign in button and you will be logged in. Okay. Like this, you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected with LinkedIn lead generation forms. And here it will ask you to select your account. Okay, so from here, select your account, the advertisement account. Then here it will ask you to select the form that you are using to generate leads. So you can see in your account the forms that you have created. This is a campaign. I'm inside my ad campaign in LinkedIn Campaign Manager. And this is an ad I have created. And in this ad, I have already attached a form. Let me just show you. So I have clicked on manage button and this is the advertisement manager. Okay, so here you can see guys, in this ad, sample lead generation form is linked. Okay, so I have selected the same form here, sample lead generation form. All right, guys. Now let me open this ad that I have created. Okay. This is the ad I have created, and here's how it is going to look in real time on LinkedIn. Okay, this is a lead generation ad for fashion business. Okay. So when I'm opening this form, it is showing me these two fields, the email address, the phone number, and here you can see the first name and the last name is already filled, pre-filled, okay? Because this is not a live ad, this is just to show you the demo. The ad is not live. So when you open this, it will just ask you to add the email address. So let me just fill an email address here, okay, and a phone number. All right, so after filling the details, you can just click on submit, and that's how a lead is going to be generated. So I have generated a sample or test lead using my form. Okay, now guys, when you click on save and send test request button, this same lead that you have just generated will be captured here in the response section. Here you can see we got this response, and in this response you can see the details, and this is the email address received from the form. Okay, this is the phone number received, and when you scroll down you will find the name received. Okay, and these are the things that we have received. Okay, right, so that's how you can just, and you can see all other details as well. The first name was this, the last name was this. Now guys, after getting a lead generated, I want to send a WhatsApp message to the lead, and I am going to do that with the help of this actions tab. And in this action window, it will ask to choose the application. Here I am going to choose Interact, which is API provider of WhatsApp, and the action event would be send template message option. All right, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask for the secret key of Interact application. So you'll get the key from the developer settings. So let me show you my Interact application. This is Interact. Okay, and here is a template that we are going to use to send a message. From here click on this settings on the bottom left hand side. Under the settings icon, click on settings option. Under the settings page you will find this developer setting. Under developer setting you will find this key, so the secret key. Just click on copy from here and paste this key here in this field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Interact. Right, and then it will start asking for the country code, the phone number, the full phone number. So we have already got the phone number of the person to whom we want to send a message via LinkedIn lead generation form. This is it. So I'm going to map this label here in the full phone number field, because we have the full phone number along with the plus sign and the country code. Okay, so just click here on this field, and from the previous tab will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find all the data right here. So from here only map the phone number. Then it is asking for the template code name. All right, so you will get the template code by opening the template in Interact application. Okay, so here is my template section, and the template I am using is the product catalog template. All right, this is the name of my template, send product catalog. And when you open a template, in the top search bar after this template slash and before this slash view, you will get the template code like this. Okay, so just copy the code and paste the code here in the template code name field. All right, then it will ask for the language code. So here you can see my template is in English language, and the code of English language is EN. Okay, so if you have chosen American English, you have to put EN_US. Okay, so you will get to know about the code when you create the template, and you have to create these templates beforehand in Interact application. After that only you can use those templates in our automation workflow. So I have already created the message template here, and message templates are predefined message structures actually that we can use to send messages to multiple people using the automations. Okay, so here in the message templates you can have a header inside the message in which you can send a text, a image, a video, or a document. In this case we are sending a document, so I have selected document here. And here in the body you can type a general message, and in this general message you can put some body variables also in these double curly braces. Okay, so these numbers you can see 1 and 2 in double curly braces are the body variables. That means we can change the values of these things every time we are going to send a message to anyone, like the name of the person and the name of the product to whose catalog we are sending. Okay, so you can strategically create these message templates after that, and after getting the templates approved you can use them here. Okay, by placing the name of the template code here. and after placing the language code, it will ask for the header value. So as I have already told you that we are sending a header in this message, and this message I want to send the brochure or sorry, catalog of my business, that is a clothing business. So you have to put the link of the catalog here in this header value. So to get a public URL, you can upload your catalog on your Google Drive or Dropbox or on your WordPress website, and from there you can bring the URL here. I have uploaded my catalog on my WordPress website. Here is the catalog, clothing brochure, and this is the link. I am copying the link and I'm going to paste this link here in this field like this. All right. Then it will ask for the body variables. So I have already told you that we have two body variables here, and to get the values of these variables change with every new message, we are going to put the values of these variables here in the workflow in this body variables values field. So you can read in the instructions, you have to enter the body variables in comma separated values. Okay. So we have two variables. One variable is for the name of the person to whom we are sending the message. So we have already got the name from the lead generation form response here in the first step. Here is the first name label and the last name label. So you can map the labels from above step here in the body variable field. Just click here and from the first step, scroll down and find the first name label and map it. Then put a comma and then put the value of second variable. So second variable is for the product's name. So my product is constant, that is clothing. So I'm going to put clothing here. Okay. Fashion clothing. I'm going to put fashion clothing. Okay. You can put your product's value here. Okay. So the thing that you are going to put here manually is going to remain same with every new message, but the thing that you are mapping here from the lead generation step is going to update every time you get a new lead. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map details here. So if you want to apply any CTA or call to action button in the message, you can use these two fields, the position of the CTA button and the value of the dynamic URL. That means the redirection link from which you want to redirect to using the CTA button. Okay. Right now, I'm not going to use these things. You can use it. Okay. After that, you can check the connection with WhatsApp or interact by clicking on save and send test request, and a sample message will be delivered to the number that you have mapped here in this field. So this is not an active number on WhatsApp. I'm going to place my WhatsApp number there on the field, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So guys, this is my WhatsApp account. I have opened it in a new tab, and here let me click on save and send test request button. And this is the response we have received. And let's see in WhatsApp if we got a new message. And here you can see we have received a new message, and the message is this: hello Pabbly, our fashion clothing catalog is arrived. Check out our new collection in the catalog attached with this message. This is the catalog attached. Okay, and the person can download it. And this is the same message. You can see this is how you can download the catalog, and this is the same message you can see. And in place of the body variables, we got the values changed here automatically. Pabbly is here, fashion clothing is here, because this is what we have mapped here inside the workflow. You can see. So guys, this is how it is going to work, and we are done setting up this automation, and you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.